Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can outline in Photopea. So the first thing that you want to do is to go ahead and import your image on Photopea, and from here we can then simply object select or object or character. In my case, I'm going to use the object selection tool. Basically, there's multiple ways to do this, like the polygonal lasso select, the magnetic lasso, or of course we then have the magic wand, quick selection, object selection. The easiest way to do this is by clicking or selecting the object selection, highlight your character, and from there it will then automatically highlight our character for us right here. Now, as you can see, it's not that perfect, so what you can do is to adjust your selection by clicking on the quick selection, click on plus, and from here you can then start outlining your character, so we can then get the character fully to our outline. Now, since we have some overlap, we can just click on the minus button and then we can erase the overlaps that we have right here. Basically, right after that, what you can do is to go ahead and now add the stroke for our outlines. So the next step is adding a color fill. Just click on the new adjustment layer, click on color fill, and from here you can then point it at the white color. From there, you can then turn the opacity into 0. And right after that, you can just double click on the layer right here, click on stroke, and then we can add a stroke from here. Click on OK, add your size, and from there you can just head over to the blending options and make sure that the fill is turned into something like 100% and also the opacity. And so from there you can just once again head over to stroke and resize this the way you want to, and change the color the way you want to. And so now we have a perfect outline of our character or image in Photopea. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.